Hi friends, welcome back to another wonderful day of teaching and learning Peak Flicks Math with Miss McKinley. Today is day 3. Number sense. Whole body counting to 5 and counting back down. So friends, we are going to count forward 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then we are going to back it up. Back that truck. Back it up. Back that truck. So if we start at 5 and we start counting back down, we'll go 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Excellent. So let's practice doing that with all of our different techniques. So here is count to 5 using your fingers. Okay, friends, let's start with 0. Ready? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now let's count back down. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Excellent. Let's count to 5 with shoulder taps. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now let's count back down. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Excellent. And this one is my favorite. Count to 5, growing and shrinking like a flower. So when we grow, we'll count from 0 to 5, and then we'll do 5 back down to 0. Awesome. So ready? Follow along with me. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Awesome sauce. Now let's move on to partner counting. Take turns counting to 5 and back down. So let's see. Let's have you start with 0. 1, 3, 5. Awesome. Now you start with 5 and then we'll count back down. 4, 2, 0. Let's try that one again. That one got a little tricky for me. So you start with 5. 4, 2, 0. There we go. Now we got it. Okay, so here's a new picture for fluency. Match the quantity that you see on the dominoes with your fingers. So here, these are dominoes. A domino has 2 black squares, and we will be counting the white circles. So when we count, you are going to show me how many using your fingers. Awesome. Did you say 2, or were you able to just show it in a flash? Excellent. That means you're getting more fluent and you're able to do this a lot faster. Show me the next number. Did you say 3? Did you count 1, 2, 3? Awesome. Show me the next one. Beautiful job. Did you say 1? And how many dots are on the dominoes here? You got it. 0. There aren't any dots on the domino. Okay, so let's talk about our math goal. What is the goal that we are working towards in math? This says, I can recognize, write, and count to 5. Say that with me. Say, I can recognize, write, and count to 5. Awesome. Here is our all about. For today, instead of going through each section, we're really going to focus on the poem and the finger tracing. So let's start up top. Excellent. Start at the top. Down you run. That's the way you make a one. All about number 2. Show me skywriting. Make a candy cane, give it a shoe. That's the way you make a 2. Let's go to the next number. Around and around, just like a bee. That's the way you make a 3. Beautiful job, friends. All about number 4. Let's skywrite. Down and over, down some more. That's the way you make a 4. Beautiful. So we did 1, 2, 3, 4. What's next? 5, a whole hand. All about number 5. This one's probably my favorite poem. This one goes like this. Short neck, belly fat, Mr. 5 wears a hat. Do you want to do that one along with me? All right, start here and say short neck, belly fat, Mr. 5 wears a hat. Excellent. Help me count the fingers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Help me count the dots on the dice. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Excellent job. Oh, this one is really exciting for today. So today we are going to learn a math story, and we are also going to count how many monkeys are on the bed. So here, this says, let's count how many monkeys. But friends, we're not just going to be counting the monkeys. We're going to be singing a song about what these monkeys are doing. You can use your fingers to show this math story and write the number on your whiteboard. So we're going to unpack that in 2 ways. Let's show with our hands first. Ready? 5 little monkeys jumping on the bed. Take one away. One fell off and bumped his head. Mama called the doctor and the doctor said, no more monkeys jumping on the bed. Let's count how many are left after that one fell off. 1, 2, 3, 4. There are 4 monkeys. 4 little monkeys jumping on the bed. One fell off and bumped his head. Mama called the doctor and the doctor said, no more monkeys jumping on the bed. Let's see how many are there. 1, 2, 3. So the next bed has 3 little monkeys because the other ones fell off. 3 little monkeys jumping on the bed. One fell off and bumped his head. Mama called the doctor and the doctor said, no more monkeys jumping on the bed. How many monkeys are there? 2. So on this next bed, there's 1, 2. 2 little monkeys jumping on the bed. One fell off and bumped his head. Mama called the doctor and the doctor said, no more monkeys jumping on the bed. How many monkeys are left? You got it, 1. One little monkey jumping on the bed. He fell off and bumped his head. Mama called the doctor and the doctor said, no more monkeys jumping on the bed. One little monkey jumping on the bed. He fell off and bumped his head. Mama called the doctor and the doctor doctor said, "No more monkeys jumping on the bed." Then there were no monkeys jumping on the bed because they all fell off and bumped their head. So now, friends, we are going to write the number of monkeys that were jumping on the bed on each bed. So for this activity, I'm just going to scoop my cubes out of the way because we do not need our cubes, but you will need your whiteboard and your expo marker. So go ahead and grab that. As you're grabbing your materials, I'm going to turn my camera so that you can see me forming my numbers. I'm really going to say my poem as we count and write how many monkeys on the bed. So if we were making 5 little monkeys on the bed, I would say the poem Short Neck, Belly Fat, Mr. 5 Wears a Hat. And that's going to help me correctly form my numbers. So let me just switch my camera. Awesome. Okay, here's our board. And if you're not ready, just pause the screen and come right back when you are ready, spaghetti. Awesome. Follow my purple pointer and let's count how many monkeys were on the first spot. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We're going to write number 5 right here. So our poem for number 5 goes, "Short neck, belly fat, Mr. 5 wears a hat." Awesome. Make number 5. Short neck, belly fat, Mr. 5 wears a hat. Awesome sauce. And once you're all done, you can erase your 5 and clear your board. Fabulous. Let's count how many monkeys on the next bed. 1, 2, 3, 4. There are 4 little monkeys. Help me to say my number 4 poem. Down and over, down some more. That's the way you make a 4. So we started here. Down and over, down some more. That's the way you make a 4. Awesome job. When you're all done making your number 4, we can erase your board and clear your board for the next number of monkeys. Beautiful job. Come to the next bed and let's count how many monkeys. 1, 2, 3. There are 3 little monkeys on that bed. Let's make number 3 using our poem. Around and around, just like a bee. That's the way you make a 3. When you make a number 3, you come around and you're going to trace that line right back out. Try not to skip doing that step because then your 3 might look like that. And that does not look like my 3. So be sure to trace back on that middle line. So I'm going to say my poem, but also I'm going to remind you to trace back on that middle line. Around and around, just like a bee, trace back. That's the way you make a 3. Awesome job, friends. Once you've made number 3, you can clear your board. Beautiful. Let's count the monkeys on the next bed. 1, 2. Let's make number 2. Make a candy cane, give it a shoe. That's the way you make a 2. Make a candy cane, give it a shoe. That's the way you make a 2. Awesome. And when you're all done, you can clear your board. And let's go to the next set of monkeys. How many monkeys are there? 1. Start at the top, down you run. That's the way you make a 1. Start at the top, down you run. That's the way you make a 1. Great job forming your numbers, friends. You were able to do so many things in our math goal today. Let's check it out. Were you able to recognize, write, and count to 5? You were. You did a great job with our activity and our singing of our 5 little monkeys on the bed. Friends, thank you so much for joining me for another wonderful day of teaching and learning. Today was Peak Flicks Math Day 3. I can't wait for more learning tomorrow. Have a beautiful day of teaching and learning. Bye, friends.